Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, if you're new to these videos, what do I mean by live? Well, I mean that this is a situation where I have not recorded everything and now I'm coming back and doing a voiceover, some sort of post commentary. Nothing like that. I'm recording myself, seeing the information for the very first time. So if you want raw thoughts, raw reactions, just all that, you will get that here. If you want a nicely edited video, nicely scripted video, you won't find that here, but nitty gritty, look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then you're definitely going to get that. Market opens up here in about 5 minutes, so I'll keep you updated. Markets are open, watching ticker symbol DD out of the opening gates, although I will say not as fast of a mover as what I thought it would come out the gates behaving as. So I'm going to go ahead and probably, I want to keep an eye on it, but like I said, I thought it'd be a little bit more volatile. See what's going on with AG here. Pull back. If you do hear typing, that's just me making alerts to my community there. Let's see, NVAX at 244 and 244 upside breakpoint, 1 minute. Oops, let's get that changed to the, oh, there it went, right up through 244. Well, at least the community members got it right there. You can see the alert at that 244 upside breakpoint. If you're not familiar with I do offer at claytrader.com a private trading community. Oh, wow. Well, I totally missed that. And if this thing wants to keep going, I'll try for 100 shares short up at 255. Oh, now it's pulling back, so never mind. Oh, wow, yeah, mRNA just... Let's see what's going on with... Yeah, open and then just completely rolled back over. NVAX trying to get moving again. Try some at 258. That may seem far away, but NVAX can be a very, very fast mover. Now DD is actually just, yeah, not doing much of really anything. NVX is going. But all right, for now, I will just go ahead and pause. Watching 252 as a potential short here. In, only got 100 though. See if we can get it down through 251. Took out some of the position just because I didn't like how it was behaving, and rightfully so, because now this thing is snapped back upwards. But we'll see if it wants to come back down. So again, only got 100 to begin with at 252. But trying to see if this thing wants to come back down. Okay, out there now down 183. So in all actuality, that was good. I'm happy that I didn't get that full size because it rolled back a little bit. In hindsight, yeah. Look at that, recover back upwards. Wow. Okay, well, not the greatest start to the day, but I mean $183, something that I don't think is going to be the death blow. All right, I will go ahead and pause for now. Okay, gonna watch for 259. Okay, all in there. Got some on the back test there at 259. Let's see if this thing wants to get continuation up to at least 260. If we can get through 260, it should really go nice. So all out there, beautiful. Now up 278 on the day. Just wanted that scalp. Put myself back into the green after the red movement to the downside. So fantastic. So from whatever I was down 178 to up 278. I'll take it. Let's see what else I can find. And here we have it rolling back over. And one of those situations where, you know, sometimes scalping is the way to go. If you watch past videos, sometimes scalping is not the way to go. But in this situation, you know, had I wanted more, then this thing is now officially, you know, totally rolled back over here. But happy with that. So think about it. I'm batting 50%, right? I've been wrong half the time. Yet I'm still sitting up $278. That just shows the power of why risk management, risk control is important. And oh wow, BB just getting, but not the fastest of movers. I mean, it moves, but not. I mean, it might be good for a quick scalp. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. And look at DD. To think I was bearish biased on this thing, which is, you know, confirmation always matters. And, you know, but this thing has just continued to grind higher and higher. I am still bearish biased on it. But, I mean, just slow and steady grind back upwards. Although I'm also thinking maybe just of calling it good. I'm not willing to do that yet. I got some other stuff with my day I want to get started to. So if I can, you know, walk away with $270 in, you know, 20 minutes or so. I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make that sort of money. So I'm not going to be a greedy savage, but there does seem to be, oh wow. Well, credit to you, NVAX. Things were looking shaky. Now it's worked its back way up there, but is this going to be another fake breakout of this area? What is that? Yeah. All right. Tesla actually looks pretty good here on the pullbacks, consolidating out. What is that? 820. I'm going to get that alerted. Tesla 820 upside break point out of consolidation. Oh wow, yeah, NVAX just, I could see 260 as a potential short if this is a strong, or if this is a fake move here, a fake breakout, come back down to 260. 260, 265, $500. Yeah, I don't know if that's a risk I'm willing to take. Because you always got to, if you're wrong, how much is it going to cost you? And if I'm wrong about that, that would cost me more than what I'm willing to risk right now. Well, whoops. Well, that's all right. Good old hindsight. Because, again, it's easy to sit here and play the hindsight game. But, again, had I been wrong, would I have been okay with that? And no, I wouldn't have felt good. So it just wouldn't have been I mean, so all you can really do is laugh about it. But that's what you got to do. You got to walk yourself with, you know, start off the whole process with, if I'm wrong, how much is it going to cost me? Am I okay with that amount? And if you answer no, well, then you better not be taking the trade because your risk is too much. All right, I will pause. All right, totally. I don't know how I missed it, but hey, that's why I benefit from the chat room just as much as anybody else. mRNA, dead bodies here. Look at that nasty move to the downside. So watching 165.50. In there at 165.70. Looking for this thing to come back down. to at least 165. If it gets down through 165, it should go pretty nicely. Just watching right now. 165.50 being a bit of a stubborn area. There we go. Nope, that fast right back to it. Will this be when it finally goes? Okay, there we go. Got the break. Took out some more down there. Took out some more in the 163s. Still have 100 left. Excuse me, still have 100 left. Can it get down through 163 and break to new lows? Wouldn't that be something? Well, just knocked on the door of 163. Can it get down through there? No, let's do this. So got 50 shares for the ride if it happens. Going to throw out 25 more down all the way at 162. Got those. Beautiful. Beautiful. Austin. I owe you a drink, my friend. Apple juice, water, Powerade, whiskey, whatever your drink of choice is, Austin. I'm going to throw out one more at 160 just to, see if we can get a big flush down there. Granted, just have 25 shares left at this point. Let's see if we can get down to the 160 mark, and I'll call it good on the trade. There we go. All out there, $762. And I get it. Sometimes it can come across as a sales pitch, but truly, I mean, that is a very beneficial part of being a part of a community. Shame on me. I'm not quite, well, I know how. I only have 2 eyeballs, but missed mRNA. And right there, you can see, thanks, like I said, Austin, got my eyes on it. Now, did Austin tell me how to trade it? No, he just alerted a situation, the situation being, a whole lot of downwards pressure. And then I took, I took manners into my own hands, if you will, and made some good money with it. So it is 9:25. I am 25 minutes in, up $1,040. And I'm not a greedy savage. I do not know many places in the world where you can make $1,040 in literally 25 minutes for sitting at home and pressing some buttons. So I am happy with that, and I'm going to call it good. But before I go, some requests on my part. These videos are not easy to make because they are live. This is not a voiceover, meaning I have to think what I'm going to say to you. I have to actually talk to you. I have to think about what I see in the chart. I have to analyze the chart. I have to analyze and put together a trade plan for myself. I have to type in alerts to the chat room. I have to think about what I want to alert to the chat room. Point being, there's just a lot going on, and these videos are doable. But yeah, they're a hassle. They're not the most easy thing to do, but I will keep doing them if I know that there's interest. So if you enjoy these, if you would like for me to continue to do these, 2 easy things to do: hit the like button. Leave a comment, even if it's just a smiley face emoji, a thumbs up emoji, something as simple as that. But those 2 things communicate to me, hey, you know what, Clay, please keep doing these videos because, I enjoy them and I will watch them. And as long as I know people are enjoying them, then I will continue to do it. And then also check out the channel as a whole. There's a lot of other content on there, other live trade videos. So if you want to just kind of see more of the channel, hopefully you like what you see enough to hit that subscribe button, as I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But overall, consider joining the community, as you saw the real life powers of it right here. And if you do want to join mine, I'll just end that because I can see people. Just claytrader.com/team. that's where you'll want to go, and you can learn more about the details right there. So claytrader.com/team if you want to trade alongside me, other quality traders. Like I said, Austin, shout out to you. Good eye on that one. We would love to have you. So thank you for hanging out, and hopefully you are all doing fantastic yourself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.